resign, and you want to serve both. How people can trust you? Like if you want to just have a protection, like all base salary, but you want to reach higher level. I mean, there's a cost of that.
There is a cost.
And show your heart, all right? You really want to serve people, no matter it's a federal level or provincial level or city level. Show that to the people, right?
Yeah.
You can't hijack people's votes. I love this. They have. Hello, Ling. No, we had a talk.
Because he can meet President Xi. He has dreamed for a long time.
I saw the picture last night in the group.
On January 3rd, a town hall meeting was held in Unionville, specifically to provide voters with an opportunity to engage in dialogue regarding your
How to describe that? This is just
Yeah,
ridiculous.
no, exactly what you said. You can't hijack people's votes. Perfect.